Dear students, today we are back with the fourth video of jugs and mugs, and today what we are going to do, we are going to learn division in jugs and mugs, that is division of liters and milliliters. So we start with numerical problems, then we will move to word problems. Suppose our first question is divide 8 liter 120 ml by 8. Now you have been asked to divide 8 liter 120 ml by 8. For the solution part, we will move to the next board. From here, what we will do, first there are two ways. You can first convert the whole thing into liters and milliliters and then divide it, or you can divide them as usual. I am following the converting them to milliliters so that the calculation becomes easier. So 8 liter 120 milliliter I can write as 8000 plus 120 milliliter. How I am writing that, since 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So it becomes 8120 milliliter. Now what I will do, I will divide this 8120 milliliter by 8. Now I divide 8120 by 8. I am keeping the quotients on top. 8 ones are 8. I am putting down 1, 0 from here. It is not divisible, so putting 0 over here. Then I am putting down 12. So 8 ones are 8. Then 4, 0. So see that I have got the result or the quotient as 1015. So I'll write the quotient over here, 1015 ml. Now when you get 1015 ml, you know that you have to convert it into liters and milliliters. Basically, you will write 1 liter 015 ml for this line and 1 liter 15 ml finally. How we have done that, you better observe. Whenever you get these types of 4-digit numbers, you choose the 3 digits from the right, 1, 2, 3 from the right. These will form the milliliter quantity and the remaining number will form the liter quantity. Now since it's a 4-digit number, we have got 1 digit for the liter quantity. Had it been a 5-digit number, we would have got 2 digits for the liter quantity. Now moving to the next sum. Suppose again we are seeing you have been asked to divide 82 liter and here you are getting 4 milliliter. 82 liter 4 milliliter by 4. So you have to divide 82 liter 4 milliliter by 4. So you will begin your solution like this. First of all, you have to convert 82 liter 4 ml into total quantity into milliliter. So it will give you 82000 plus 4 ml. That means 82004 ml. You have got this. So you have to divide 82, and how you are getting it, just write down the formula. 1 liter is equals to 1000 ml. Now what do you need to do? You need to divide 82004 ml by 4. For the division part, we are moving to the next. From here, what we will do, we will put these things. 4 2 is 8, take down 2, it is not divisible, put a 0 over here, take down a 0, 5, 20, and take down one more 0, it is 0 again, take down 4, 1, 4. So as you can see, it is 20501 milliliter. So we move to the next board. 20501 milliliter. Now whenever you get 20501, the rule that I said, from the right hand side choose the 3 digits as for milliliter and the remaining number of digits will form liter. So it becomes 20 liter 501 milliliter. So in this way you are getting your work done. Now students, from our topics that we discussed here, you write down and solve 3 sums. These are homework sums. Divide 16 liter 16 ml by 8. Number 2, 51 liter 17 ml by 17. Divide 51 liter 17 ml by 17 and divide 28 ml 49 milliliter by 7. We will solve them at home, these 3 sums, and write them in your classwork copy. Okay. Now moving to the last sum of today's session. Divide. Suppose a very long sum has been given. 21 liter 21 liter 7 ml 72 ml 21 liter 72 ml by 3. Now what you will do, you have to divide this sum. So in order to find its answer, you move to the next board. Solution. 21 ml 72 21 liter 72 ml, you change to milliliter. So it can be written as this. So you have to divide 21072 by 3. Arrange them in division form. 3 7s are 21, 0, put down 0, take down 7, 3 2s are 6, take down 2, 3 4s are 12. So finally you are getting 7024 ml. Now you convert it into liters and milliliters. Directly you can get 7 liter 24 ml. So following this process, I'm again moving to the homework page. So following this process, you have to write down these homeworks. That is, divide 16 liter 16 ml by 8, divide 51 liter 17 ml by 51, and finally 28 divide 28 ml 49 milliliter by 7. So there are 3 homework that we will do. Thank you class.